In the darkness we linger, always finding reason to point our finger towards others who are surely to blame for our pain burning brighter than fire and flame. In the darkness we curse and stumble, always justifying our wartime rumbles, which transform our hidden tears from fears to angers, and then at last to bullets and bombs that momentarily blast. Vague memories of our hell in the womb, out of mind, and takes us ever nearer to our tomb. We revel in the awesome display of our rightful rage, blinding us to the fact that we hold the key to the cage that ensures our misery.